This innovative Japanese-style tiny home features a double attic design, where one attic section can be slid horizontally, create a flexible and spacious upper area. This clever sliding mechanism allows the attic to adapt to different needs, either as separate lofts or a unified extended space, making the compact home feel open and dynamic. Beneath and around the attic is a creative and efficient cabinet arrangement that maximizes every available inch. Cabinets are thoughtfully integrated into wall panels, underloft floors, and even along stair access points. The layout ensures that storage never intrudes on living space, allowing for smooth circulation and multifunctional use of each area. With its smart sliding attic concept and strategic cabinet placement, this tiny home not only optimizes spatial efficiency but also offers a stylish blueprint for future compact living. It stands as an ideal inspiration for designers and homeowners seeking to transform limited square footage into a spacious, organized, and visually balanced home environment.